I am speaking Dr. Deshbandhu Vajpayee from Kanak Polytherapy Clinic and Research Center, 67/70 Bhusa Toli Road, Bartan Bazar, Kanpur, and is before you. Today, I will tell you about a patient who came to my clinic before 2 years in 1923, round about August, and he is suffering from prostatic cancer when he came to me since 3 years back. So, round about now 5 years have gone. 3 years patient taken allopathic treatment and with the surgical process his prostate was somehow a part of gland removed in Lucknow in a renowned hospital. So after that 3 years of the treatment she didn't got any best relief and was suffering from many syndromes which was very prominent at that time when he came to me before 2 years in 1923. Now round about 2 years have passed and as a tradition, just that we go through the electrophysiography and Ayurveda Tridoso scanner and Ayurveda whole body scanning system with the Ayurveda blood examination of three kinds. So after going through the examination, he came to me on last week. So here you are seeing our new invented machine, which is a new version of Ayurveda Tridoso scanner and a very improved version with the artificial intelligence. So here you will see that we are checking his whole body accordingly to in a smaller manner, not very bigger one, because he is now improved very well and have no complaints of his whatever he was having before 2 years, like burning in urine and urine retention and this and that all complaints. So now he is removed from all the complaints. His body parameter and ECG is now in normal stage and there is no any anomalies whatever we found except the electrolytic imbalances and other features. So he is in a good position, good health position in 2 years treatment. In Jhansi, he goes to consult from Jhansi to Agra. He went uh, roundabout after 1 month to consult his old doctor in Agra. So he reduced his all the medicine and told her that you take only one drug, which is a dilator, muscle dilator, and he is only using it. If he left it, he have no problem. But he told his doctor that he is taking also Ayurvedic, homeopathic, Unani, and other non-medicinal therapies supports to control his problem. So now he is almost better and have relief in his all syndromes and he is going towards the cure as I think so. So this is another example of cure by integrated system in such a difficult disease condition which we see here. So the patient is well, and almost he came after 3 months for follow up, and he got information about my Kanak Polytherapy Clinic and Research Center from someone who was in his neighborhood. He belongs to Jhansi, and about 300 kilometers from my Kanpur destination. So this is another example for cure of post-operative prostatic problems with the integrated diagnosis, treatment, and management. Seeing here the report of the patient which is taken before few days, and at the T1 and T. This is the machine which is recording the condition, as you have seen earlier the video in the beginning of this recording. So the patient ID, patient name, and our Kanak Polytherapy Clinic concern is given here. So now in T1 section you will find the test report of the Nali position, which is the Nali Dabao. In mercury scale we have taken it. It is 120 roundabout, and the middle pressure, middle dabaw, middle dab is round about 110, and the mand dabaw, that is the low dabaw, low pressure you can say, that is 68. So you will find here the other parameters, the pulse rate, now you are seeing, and the oxygen percentage you are seeing here, and the respiration rate you are seeing here, and the temperature also in the centigrade. So in T1 section we examine the Nali position and Nali pressure, the highest pressure, the middle pressure, and the lowest pressure. So three kinds of pressure of Nali of pulse is taken into consideration according to Ayurveda factors. So this will give us a clue how to implement the Ayurveda fundamentals and homeopathic fundamentals and Unani fundamentals simultaneously in regard to pulse relation. So in all three therapies, the pulse is very dominant figure in selection of remedies and diagnosis of the problems. So this test report gives us the condition of Nali, the structure of Nali, the quality of Nali, and the other features of Nali which have been described in homeopathic literature, in Unani literature, and in Ayurveda literature. So we consider it with the other pulse rates and oxygen percentage because they are all related with the pulse. So T1 section is related to the Nali position. Now we come to T2 section. In this section, the 7 segments of Ayurveda basic fundamentals, Vata, Pitta, Kapha and its combination and other four combinations along with the homeopathy, psora, syphilis, psychosis, estimation and its combination overall, which is very essential for the diagnosis of homeopathic remedies and Unani remedies, because Unani fundamentals are Saudavi, Sifravi and Najlavi. So Saudavi is equivalent to wind or Vata. Sifravi is related to Pitta, that means bile, and Najlavi that related to flame. So all these seven segments are related with the Ayurveda, homeopathy and Unani segments of diagnosis and to get their fundamentals. So in the third section, T3 section, you will see the constituents of human body, which is very essential and is related directly to the dhatus. So seven dhatus is here. The metabolism is related to Ras, Rakta, Mans, Med, Asthi, Majja, Shukra. In sequence you will see here. And one thing you will find here, that the highest, high, low and lowest and normal segments are considered in the similar manner, and the machine projects all these segments in this way. So you will find here the Vata condition, that is highest, Pitta is high and Kapha is highest, while in combination of uh, wind and bile it is low, wind and flame it is low, bile and flame it is lowest, and Tridosha is also low. So I will tell you to which I considered how to select the Ayurveda fundamentals and its combinations. So we'll tell you in the uh, segments in the coming will tell you. So dhatus are lowest, metabolism is lowest, blood is, considering blood it is lowest, and flesh it is highest, fat lipid it is highest, skeletal bone it is highest, bone marrow is high, and semen is lowest. So you will see that Rakt is lowest and its value is now in minus. So what will happen, I will tell you. While we select the medicine, this will help you. So now here in T4 we find the stool is low, urine is low and sweat is high. So what it means, you can imagine it. And again we find the multi-organs pathophysiology or pathology assessment, which is the T5 segments. So here you will find the all over the 16 body system, right from the automatic nervous system, and then it come down to head, neck and other ear, nose, pulmonary and other organs up to the vitality and immunity. Ojas is the last one. So you will find here how the ojas is. So the lowest one in between, it is you will find that it is a liver pancreas and the spleen segment, which is very lowest in overall 16 one. So we have to consider about the lowest, the very lowest, and the upper lowest, and the then upper lowest in three series. Number one, number two, number three. So we have to consider the lowest one while we think over and correlate which one are lowest in the lowest categories and which are highest and in highest categories up to 3. So both the highest and both the lowest, we consider it, we find that there is 7 segments which are lowest. That means we have to consider the lowest one primarily, and normal is 4, highest is 5. So all the 16 segments, the lowest are 7. So we have to consider the lowest one, and the medicine selection will depend on the consideration of what kinds of human body and human organs and human systems are working and favoring whether it is in negative or positive manner. In the T6 segment, we give a identity of the patient and time and date of the interview or examination. So we consider it, and there is an advice and disclaimer about the report. So that is a very essential one and a legal point for a physician, which one to select it and which one how to do it. So this is an essential part of the legal point. Now you will find here the prescription which I have given to this patient for another 3 months 90 days. So in Ayurvedic medicine this is given here. 2 Ayurvedic medicines are here. You are seeing there is another one, which one is for the after lunch and dinner, and now you see the homeopathic medicines in combination with the Unani Ark. Ark Mako is being used with the homeopathic medicine in mixture. So we have a very best experience of using homeopathic medicine with Unani Ark. That that is a very masterpiece combination of two therapies in one. So these are the medicine which have been prescribed. Now another you will see here the homeopathic remedies that is being used at one dose for only one day, and number 5 is allopathic medicine, which is vitamin A and D capsule and B-Plex 4 for support of his immune system, because his age is very down one. So this all is the story of integrated diagnosis, treatment and management which I have narrated here, and I think that everyone should be consider and support in this type of disease condition, which one is very vigorous to cure and impossible to cure, to be understand as usually by the physician. So the patient is quite well, and I hope that when he will come again, he will be much better in her condition, and I will make another video adjoining with this video what happened with the patient. Thank you for listening and support us.